these are your cat's frames. You are getting 9, and this is exactly what it looks like in Canva. The first page has all the cats, and the rest are individual pages with some patterns and photos that I put in so you can see what you can do with the cat frames. So let's go back. I'm going back to the top, and to do any of these frames, just go and upload your own patterns and photos, or you can use Canva elements. Just make sure to read Canva's terms of use before you use them, but I'm just going to put in my patterns for you to see. And every single one of these cats actually comes with a shadow or background. So to do that, to give a little black outline like I have here, you'd have to ungroup and then go to position, go to layers, and here is the, oh, sorry, excuse me. Here is the black cat. So we are going to move it a little bit to give it a little bit of a border. If you find that you can't move it, basically what you need to do is you need to um, zoom in to the cat, and once you move in, you can move a little increments like that. Okay, just keep on zooming in, and then of course scroll over. You see, you can move small increments, and then I'm going to zoom back out, and then you can see um, the little borders around the cat. Certain ones you have to do that so you can see the shape of the cat better. Like here's a pink one, and if it's on white, of course it's not really great. So you're gonna have to ungroup, and if you can also just highlight this because this is selecting the patterns. Then you just do that, make the little cat smaller, and then once again scroll in to move in small increments. And you could also adjust it a little bit, move it around, or you can just delete it if you want. Okay, and that's how you do the frames. And of course, you can also put in photos. It doesn't have to be patterns, it could be anything really. Here's a photo of the moon, and then double click on it to get the photo, and then you can move it around, adjust it in the frame, and then it just fills up. Just click on any photos you want and also videos. Here's a witch. See this one. I really love that. It's so cool. Yes, so that's basically all you need to do. And once you're done, you can just copy it. If you don't have it group, I recommend grouping them together, the shadow and the patterns, so that you can just move it all at once. Because if you don't, this will happen, and then you're going to have to adjust again. So what I recommend is just group and then copy and paste into your project. And once you're done with your projects, depending on what you want to use it for, you go to download and save it as a JPEG, PNG. And let's say you want to use a PNG with a transparent background, you have to click transparent background. And this is a crown, so it's a Pro Canva Pro subscription plan. They do have free trials, so if you want to do that, and then cancel before the 30 days. Let's see, and then you can also save it as a PDF print if you want your customers to print at home or at a local shop. And I recommend flattening PDF so that your buyers won't be able to extract the the cats. Okay. Let's see what else is there. There's SVG as well. So there's a variety of things you can do. And if you place a video into your cat like this one, you save it as a MP4 video, or you can also save as a GIF. And of course, you can save it for as a SVG as well. So many many different ways to save. And of course, this one, the SVG, you have to have Canva Pro. Okay, well, thank you, and I will see you next time.